guys, welcome to the channel. Follow me as I try to bring this boat back to life. It's a little rough. It's a 2000 Nitro. Well, the body is a 2000 as well as the trailer. The motor is a 99 Mercury, 150 horsepower, two-stroke. Everything runs great on it. Everything works great, besides a few things. The horn not going off. When you press it, person that had it before me left it outside, which it is right now as well. But as you can see, they ripped up the carpet and painted it, which I'm gonna go back with some carpet. Main things on it, a bunch of fading. I'm going to try to restore this gel coat. Have a plan for it. I do plan on doing some wet sanding, and then trying to bring it back with my buffer. Haven't decided if I'm going to take off the stickers yet and try to go back with some new ones. But like I said, here is the Mercury. Everything works great on it. Only complaint on it is the fin at the bottom, so that definitely needs either replaced, thinking about cutting it off and getting a new one welded back on, or I might try to just build up on it with my welder and then just kind of see if I can shape it back into place. But yeah, I've already done a little test spot. The other side was just as bad as this side was just as bad as the other side. But I feel like it's gonna come back pretty good. As you can see, it's a 205 Sport Edition Nitro. Trailer's in great shape. Does need some wiring done on it, which I'm not too worried about right now. Brakes work fine on it. Brake lights work fine on it. So I'm not going to be driving it at night a lot. So I'll eventually repair the running lights. The interior needs a good cleaning. I did take it out. Have a couple of poles back here. And as you can see, I've already kind of started with some of the compound and everything, but does have a fish finder on it already. I'm pretty sure that's the original fire extinguisher. I already picked up a new one. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out, and hopefully you guys enjoy. My big plans on it, eventually, once I get the carpet in, probably new upholstery as well. I do plan on getting a new trolling motor, and try to mount some graphs. It has a small one right there, a little fish finder, but yeah, that's not gonna, that'll work for now, but it's not gonna last very long. The plastic right here, it is rough. You can see how flimsy that is, so that's definitely gonna need to be replaced. All the buttons work on it. Like I said, the only two things electrical that I need to work on are the horn and the radio, which I would have wanted to go back with a aftermarket one anyway, get some new speakers in it. And yeah, so we'll go ahead and get started.
buds.
Yeah.
What you think of your new boat, bud?
What do you think of it?
I've done a decent amount of buffing on this side. It looks really, really good. I need to make a couple more passes with it. There's still a couple of faded spots. Wasn't able to get in here very well with the buffer, and then I did notice some cracking. I'm not sure how to fix that. Can't tell if, those finger catches on those, so don't know how to fix that. But overall, the gel coat is coming back pretty good. Stuff I'm using, I do Ultra Cut, the Ultra Cut, that one seems to be working the best. I'm also using this one right here, the Pro Speed Compound. That one's working okay. For some reason, the mirror glaze seems to be working better than the Professional. Don't know why. I had to use 120 grit to get some of this sun fading or the off. I would have never started with that normally, but this is just abnormally bad. So kind of have to step my way up. I'm going up to 1500 grit. I thought about going up to 2000, but I got lazy and don't feel up to that. but yeah, I do plan on detailing the inside of this compartment. This has the batteries and the gas tank. It is pretty gross right now. Just a bunch of grease from the years of use. I do want to get new lots as well for the little compartment doors. And then, like I said, the seats are actually in pretty good, decent shape. They just need good cleaning. All that right there will come out. So, yeah. I might have found a little bit of a hack to avoid some of the sanding, because you saw how bad that was before, and I don't know why I decided to do this, but I decided to just kind of spray some of this Super Clean. It is a dissolves grease. It's supposed to be for just grease, but I sprayed it on a lot of that damage, and look at this. It just ate right through that. Brought back the color. We'll see. I'm definitely going to still need to buff it, but here, I'll show you what it does over here. You saw how yellow this was before. There's still some in there, but this is me pre-wiping. Look at all that just dripping right off. It's just cutting through it, and I'm barely even leaving it on very long. I'm gonna let it soak for a while, because the whole thing was like so rough. It's had such a rough feeling to it. Look at that. Look at all that grossness dripping off. And then it's just bringing back that gold too, which I was really concerned about buffing through. But yeah, no, if this keeps working like it, I'm gonna grab like 5 more bottles of this and go over the entire boat with it. It's gonna save me a lot of time, because you have no idea how long. It was hours to get the boat looking like that. That's a dirty rag, but you can't even tell where that sticker used to be. I mean, I can't. Let me know if you guys can see it, but I'm like, that looks like a brand. I'm like, let's just bring the paint right back. Not paint, but the gel coat right back. Don't know what this does to it long term though, so disclaimer there. But hey, I barely spent any money on this boat, so I'm okay with the risk on this one. Alright, what we're gonna do, inside of the boat is really bad, as you can tell. So I'm gonna see how well I can set y'all up. So you see how much this is. I took all that. I'm gonna post a picture right now of the before, what it looked like over on that side. It's very dull, but it took everything off, which was great. I've already used a wet cloth, wiped as much of the residue off, and then I'm gonna try just see how well it turns out. So, let's see. This is how it's coming. So, there's that before, well, actually not even before, but this is post getting all the grime off, and then after getting buffed. I think it's going to turn out fairly decent. This is this video. Thank you guys for joining me. Next time, hopefully I'll be able to get all the buffing done. I'm going to try to get these fenders removed so I can get down here and buff that. Glad I was able to figure out that that trick with the well, with the super clean. Like I said, not sponsored, but hey, if they want to send me some free ones, I'd be completely down for that. Anywho, next time, like I said, trying to work on finishing up the buffing, get the interior cleaned, and maybe get started on the carpet. If not, it'll be the following video. There's a lot to do on here to get this boat right, but hey, we'll get it done. Appreciate you guys joining. Like, share, subscribe if you can. It definitely helps. And I will see you guys next time.